Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and this is a review of the Abba Patio pop-up folding tent. In the box, you'll receive a canvas carrying bag with the pop-up tent in it. The bag has a Velcro handle for the straps and is zippered across the top and one side. It is made from a slightly heavier duty fabric than the roof of the tent. Inside is the canvas tent cover, a set of illustrated instructions, and this cardboard sleeve contains the one-piece pop-up tent frame. There's also a small nylon bag with 4 metal ground stakes in it for pinning down the feet. As you can see, the frame is capable of standing up on its own when fully collapsed. The height of the collapsed frame is 4 feet tall by about 7 inches square. The frame is made of steel with a white powder-coated finish, plastic end caps, and has a Velcro wrap at the top of each leg for securing the cover. While the instructions recommend 2 people for setting it up, it can be done by 1 person. It will just take a little longer and several adjustments. If you're setting this up by yourself, I recommend pulling out each leg a little bit at a time until the frame is fully expanded. For me, at a certain point, it was easier for me to expand the frame fully by standing in the middle. Once the frame is expanded, you'll want to pull up on each corner so that the locking pins engage. Each pin should pop out underneath the plastic corner, keeping the roof frame in place. It might take a little bit of extra effort, so make sure you pull up hard and that the frame is expanded enough. Next, open up the canvas cover and lay it over the top of the frame, silver side in. In each corner, pull down and line up the Velcro loops on the cover so that they adhere to the Velcro hooks at the top of each leg. Then attach 2 Velcro ties at each side and the single Velcro ties at each roof strut. Before we move on, I want to show you just how water resistant the roof is. When I pour water on the fabric, it simply rolls off and beads up, like a freshly waxed car. The water does not soak through nor penetrate the fabric. I also took the canopy measurement at this point and found it to be just about 7.5 feet across. At the base, because the legs are slanted outward, the width is about 9 feet, which you can see here just barely fits my patio. Now that the cover is on, we can now raise the canopy of the tent up. 1 person can do this by working on 1 leg at a time. The easiest way to do this is to lift each leg, then pull the bottom section out until the locking pin engages. There are 2 heights available. The first locking position gives you a final height of 6.5 feet at the sides and 7.5 feet in the middle. The lower pin lets you raise the roof about 6 inches higher, to 7 feet at the sides and 8 feet at the center. As you can see, there's a hole in each of the feet for you to use the lawn stakes, which of course on a patio or solid surface won't work. So let's relocate the tent to the grass. Although the tent weighs 35 pounds, it doesn't feel as heavy when the frame is open, and 1 person can easily move the tent before it is raised. If you'll be using the tent on a deck or patio, you'll need to get some weights or sandbags or even tie-down straps for each of the legs to prevent the tent from blowing away in strong winds. Here's how you place the lawn stakes. Just push them through the holes and make sure the hook rests over the metal edge. Of course, this is not a true safeguard against very strong winds, so you may still need to use weights to ensure the safety of your setup. When you're finished with it, the tent can be broken down and packed up by 1 person in about 5 minutes. Overall, the canopy was super simple to set up and take down. It can be done by 1 person in about 5 minutes, and with 2 people, it's even faster. The frame is strong and durable without being too heavy, and the canopy provides a good amount of shade and rain protection with its UV blocking and water-resistant coating over 64 square feet. It's perfect for a few chairs or a small picnic table and packs up compactly for travel, making it great for both personal and commercial use. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.